The first income stream that I'm going to talk about is Google AdSense, and this is probably the most well-known income stream amongst YouTubers, probably because it requires the least amount of work. And this is actually my least favorite income stream. Okay, now if you're not familiar with Google AdSense or you don't know what it is, it's basically where you share revenue with Google when their ads are displayed on your videos, and a viewer clicks on that ad or watches it fully. Now, here's what I don't like about this business model. First, you cannot control this revenue stream, and you're going to make very little money through this business model. You're only going to make between $1 to $2.50 on every 1,000 views, or CPM. CPM means cost per thousand. So for every 1,000 views on your videos, you're only going to get paid between $1 and $2 or $2.50. So if you do the math, if your goal is to make, let's say, $1,000, then you need to get 500,000 views. There are exceptions though. If you niche your channel down and become really targeted, you can earn more money per 1,000 views. For example, I know of a YouTuber who's making $15 instead of the average $1 to $2 per 1,000 views. So for every 1,000 views, he's making $15. So if you want to start putting AdSense ads on your videos, there are some new YouTube requirements. You do need at least 4,000 hours of watch time within the past 12 months and at least 1,000 subscribers. Now, if the thought of making money through AdSense depresses you, don't worry. In the following videos, I'll talk about other business models that you can apply in which you can actually earn more money than AdSense, and that requires, or actually does not require you to have a large YouTube channel.